Hi, welcome to our platform. This is Lorena, and today I'm going to show you how to add your students manually. First, we have to make sure that you have already created a class. We showed this in our previous video, that is creating classes. So that it would be step number 1. So please check that video first before proceeding. Once you know that you have already created a class, we'll go to the teachers panel right here. Then we go to class management. It'll show you the classes that we would like to add students to. So this is the class that I'm going to add more students. So all I need to do is click on the class that I've already created, click on add view students, and then I'll be able to add new students by clicking on the quick add button. I'll just write the student's name. Okay. And then if I don't need to, you don't really have to add the student ID right here. The system will automatically assign a user ID to the student. So we'll just click on add student and the student is already added. In order for us to know the student login information, all we need to do is click on ID cards right here. Look for our student's name. I'll look for Rodriguez, Marta Rodriguez. And I'll be able to send this student or print this page and send the students her login information. You can also email this information to your students by clicking on ID email list right here. You will see a pre-formatted email. So just scroll down, look for your student's name right here, copy this, and you can easily paste it on an email and send it to your students. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do have any questions, you can always send us an email at efl@ourstoryscape.com, or you can go to the help button and schedule a walkthrough if you need to. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.